No.
Hello. Hello. I wanted to show you
Your Easter basket?
the Easter basket. Here it is right here.
Hmm?
Here it is right here.
Okay, well, we see it. Are you going to show what's inside?
Oh. There's two straws. See, two just woolly straws, crazy looking.
Okay.
Go to each other. 3 chocolate bunnies. This one.
Hmm?
This one. And my one I'm going to eat. This one.
Okay.
This one. Oh, yeah, and I found eggs. These eggs.
Okay. What's inside of them?
So good to see this candy.
Candy, okay.
Yummy, yummy candy. And there's also some candy in here. And there's a bag, a carrot bag of Reese's Pieces. And it looks like a carrot, kind of.
It does.
It's cute.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty adorable. And you can see we got more eggs here. We got these little small things. Oh, pencils that are sharpened already. The Easter Bunny already sharpened them. A pen. As you can see, it comes. Carefully comes off. Not so it comes off randomly for me. And I got a lot of chocolate. Oh, and this little thing you put the spin. Spins at the top. I guess I got top and
Okay. Okay. Say goodbye.
Bye. Bye.